Hello friends, now next topic is left linear grammar to right linear grammar. In last video we have seen how to convert right linear grammar to left linear grammar. Here we have to follow the same procedure as right linear grammar to left linear grammar conversion. Okay, so first we have here the left linear grammar. So first we have to convert this left linear grammar into finite automata. Then we have to interchange the initial state with final state with their symbols. Then we have to reverse the arrows of all the transitions. Then we have to write we have to convert given finite automata into right linear grammar. Okay, so we will start with the example. This is the given grammar. Now I'll draw the finite automata for this given grammar. So S tends to CA. Okay, so I'll take states S, C, B and F. Okay, F is for final state. Okay, so S tends to CA. So this will be the transition from S to C by taking input A. Then S tends to BB. S tends to B. Then C tends to BB. C tends to BB. B tends to BA. B tends to B. So this transition will move from B to F. Okay. So we have finished with conversion of left linear grammar to finite automata. Then this is the first step. Okay. Now second step, we have to interchange the position of start state to final state. Okay. So interchange the position of these two. Okay. So here I will write F, then C, then B, and here will be the start state, that is S. Okay. Now next step is we have to reverse the direction of all the arrows of transition. Okay. So this is from left to right. So I will draw here from right to left by taking input. Okay, so I'll reverse the direction. Okay, now I have here reversed all the directions of all transitions. Okay, now we will convert this finite automata to right linear grammar because we want resultant grammar as a right linear grammar. We have to take care while writing the grammar, means while writing grammar we want right linear grammar. So in the body of production we should write variable at the rightmost position. Okay, so next step is we will take transition one by one. So we will start with initial state, that is S. So S tends to B. Okay, so first I will write small b means terminal and then variable. Then next B tends to, we have three outgoing transitions from state B. Okay, so B tends to AB, this will be the first. Then B tends to BC and B tends to BF or simply B and simply B because F is final state. So for final state we have to add two transitions. Okay, now next C tends to AF and simply A, because F is final state, so we have to add two transitions for a final state. Okay, so this is our resultant right linear grammar because variable is present at the rightmost side. Okay, hope so you have understood this video. If you have any queries, then please do comment, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.